Section 1. The dream of earning while you sleep. Have you ever imagined waking up in the morning and seeing that you earned money while you were fast asleep? This isn't some far-fetched fantasy or a get-rich-quick scheme. This is the reality of passive income. Simply put, passive income is money you earn with minimal active effort to maintain it. You put in the work up front, whether that's building a system, creating a product, or investing your money. And then that system, product, or investment continues to generate income for you over time. It's like planting a tree. You spend time and effort planting the seed and watering it, but eventually it grows strong and produces fruit for years to come, with just a little bit of care along the way. The reason this concept matters so much, especially today in 2025, is because it's about more than just money. It's about freedom. It's about creating options for yourself and your family. When you have income streams that aren't directly tied to the hours you work, you gain control over your most valuable asset, your time. Section 2. The foundation. One of the most straightforward ways to start earning passively is to make the money you already have work for you. This category is all about investing your capital in places where it can grow without your daily intervention. The first and simplest play is a high-yield savings account. Think of it as a regular savings account, but on steroids. Online banks can offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional banks. You deposit your money, and the bank pays you interest, often monthly. For example, $5,000 at 4% APY earns $200 in a year. A second option is a certificate of deposit, a CD. You agree to lock your money for a fixed period in exchange for a higher fixed rate. A one-year CD at 5% turns $2,000 into $2,100 at maturity. For higher potential returns, consider dividend-paying stocks and funds. A dividend-focused ETF holds many companies, spreading risk while paying you a share of profits. Finally, peer-to-peer lending lets you lend small amounts across many loans to diversify risk. For example, invest $500 as $20-$25 loans and receive principal plus interest back over time. Start small on a reputable platform. Read the terms and only risk what you're comfortable with. Section 3. The tangible asset. The most traditional approach, long-term rental income. Purchase a property, single-family home, condo, or a multi-unit building, and rent it out to tenants. Tenants pay monthly rent. You cover mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance, and the remainder becomes passive income. Example: live in one duplex unit, rent the other. House hacking can cover your mortgage and add cash flow. Analyze your local market and understand rental rates before you buy. Not ready to buy? Rent space you have on short-term platforms, spare bedroom, basement suite, or your home while you travel. Short-term stays often earn a higher nightly rate, especially in tourist areas or during events. Start with pro-quality photos and an honest, welcoming description. Consider hands-off rentals like parking or storage. An unused one-car garage could bring $150 a month. Want real estate exposure without landlord duties? Look at REITs. A REIT owns and operates income properties. Buy shares to own a slice of large portfolios. By law, REITs pay out at least 90% of taxable income as dividends. First step: open a brokerage account and research publicly traded REITs or a REIT ETF that fits your goals. In our digital age, your knowledge and skills are valuable assets. Package them as digital products, ebooks, detailed guides, printable planners, spreadsheet templates, or Lightroom presets. Create once and sell infinitely with near zero marginal cost. Example: a family budgeting toolkit sold on Etsy or Gumroad. First step: outline a simple solution to a small problem. People are always learning: career, hobbies, personal growth. Teach what you know well: guitar, building a basic website, mastering a tool, baking sourdough. Record lessons, organize modules, and host on Teachable, Podia, or Udemy for ongoing enrollments. Example: Photography 101 for your smartphone. Begin with a 5 to 7 lesson outline and a short intro video. Prefer a slower community build? Start a niche blog or YouTube channel and post consistently. Monetize over time with ads, affiliate links, and memberships. Affiliate marketing pays commissions when readers buy through your links. First step, join a program like Amazon Associates and publish a genuine review with your link. Choose a specific niche and ship your first piece of content today. Beyond creating your own products, you can earn by leveraging connection and community. You act as a bridge, connecting people with products, services, and each other, and earn a share of value. Go beyond scattered links. Build a dedicated resource page of tools you truly recommend. Each tool includes your affiliate link, creating a valuable hub for your audience. Example, a sustainable living site curating reusable bottles, zero-waste cleaners, and ethical apparel. First step, list 5 products you genuinely use and check their affiliate programs. Build a paid membership with exclusive content, access, or community for predictable recurring income. Example, a fitness coach shares a monthly workout plan and hosts a supportive forum. Start free on Facebook or Discord to test demand before introducing a paid tier. Or build a simple app. Partner with a developer or use no-code to solve a small specific problem. A hydration tracker can monetize via one-time purchase, subscription, or in-app ads once listed in app stores. First step, spot a repetitive task you do and sketch a simpler app-based solution. Creators can license photos, music, video, and graphics on stock platforms. Upload once, earn royalties for years as your work is licensed worldwide. It's exciting to picture money flowing in while you vacation or sleep, but approach passive income with realism. Passive doesn't mean no work. It means heavy upfront effort with lighter maintenance later. Every stream needs an initial investment of time, money, or both. Markets move. Stocks and REITs can fall, and dividends aren't guaranteed. P2P loans can default, you could lose principal. Rentals face difficult tenants, surprise repairs, and empty months. Digital products aren't guaranteed to sell. Manage risk by learning, starting small and diversifying. ETFs over single stocks. Pilot weekends over full-time rentals. Progress is slow. Blogs and portfolios compound over months and years. Ignore the hype and focus on your journey. Celebrate small wins. Your first dollar or first dividend proves the system works. Over time, small streams combine into a river that can change your financial future. After exploring investing, creating, and renting, it's normal to feel both excited and overwhelmed. Avoid analysis paralysis by doing one small thing now. The solution is simple. Just begin. Don't build an empire today. Choose one idea that resonates and take one small step. Match choices to your money, time, and skills. Extra cash, little time? Open a HISA or buy a dividend ETF. Creative? Outline a mini course or start an ebook. Spare space? Photograph it for a listing. Define a tiny task. Tonight I'll brainstorm 5 blog names for 30 minutes. This weekend I'll watch one video on opening a brokerage account. Small actions build momentum and confidence for the next step. Keep learning and iterating. Adjust as you go. Every $5 or $20 is a win and proof of progress. Choose your idea. Start small. Keep learning. You have the power to build a more secure and free financial life. Starting today.